PitchME, Tehnopol Startup Incubator, empowering founders as well as PitchME podcasts.
Welcome, Olev. PitchME.
Sure. So Flowbase is a first of its kind AI assistant for process optimization in manufacturing. So currently there are not a lot of good ways for cost-effective process optimization because firstly, manufacturing is not universal. The current sensors that are being used usually don't detect everything that is happening. And for some companies, the analysis part is so difficult that they don't even end up doing it, and not to even mention the price that it entails. But on the other hand, the benefits of process optimization are huge. For instance, you can increase the production output, increase the quality of production output, increase customer satisfaction, enable less wasteful manufacturing, and at the end, increase profitability. So this is where we with Flowbase come in. We turn cameras into sensors by leveraging computer vision technology. New or existing cameras can be used without any additional equipment. And we are able to identify the movement and state of employees, materials, products, and machinery. And we use that information to create a current state of production, outlining value-adding activities compared to the rest. And then the end result is an online tool which details the current state of production and showcases some potential improvements that can be made. And also the subsequent improvements can be tracked throughout time. And currently with our solution, we're already giving about a 2.5 time ROI to our clients. And we offer them this solution either with a monthly or a yearly subscription model based on how much video analysis they want to do. And behind this, we're a very diverse team. We have experience in both AI development and manufacturing. And that's why we're very certain that we're building a product that is going to be a crucial part of Industry 4.0. And to summarize, we're helping manufacturing companies save time and money and enabling a world where we create more with less. And now we're planning a seed round, which will be available to invest starting Q4 of this year. So if anyone listening is interested, please head on to flowbase.io and get in touch. Thank you.
What's a typical customer? Is it a factory owner or who do you sell it to?
So we're mainly talking with either production managers or process engineers. These are the two sort of target groups that actually deal with this day to day. More a sort of a process engineer, but depending on the size of the company, production managers need to deal with this type of problem as well.
What kind of companies are there? The main clients?
They vary. We have clients in electronic equipment manufacturing, food industry. It really all comes down to the process itself. So for us, a typical client has a manual production line, which entails some kind of manual workforce and the process behind it. I think that kind of outlines our target customer. And currently we're seeing that a lot of these companies are understanding the need to optimize their current resources to sort of manufacture in more better ways and in more efficient ways. So we're very happy for the solution that we're building and developing very actively for them.
One of the kind of key competitors is probably pen and paper in the hand of the process engineer.
Yes.
But on the software side, how much there is competition or kind of similar to yours offering?
There are a lot of companies that are offering computer vision as a tool type of solution. So basically you can enter a video to some platform and detect how many people are walking to one side or another. But with such a niche type of approach, where it's meant for manufacturing, companies with actual manufacturing sort of methodologies in place, we have not yet detected a one-on-one competitor. And we're very certain to say this because we have been very active in taking part in some major manufacturing fairs in the past years, always with the goal of looking out for Flowbase 2.0.
What's the feedback from the customers? I mean, as you said, you've been to many of the trade fairs. What are they saying when you pitch their offering?
One of the main things to sort of industry experts is that when they understand how we sort of do this, they firstly compliment on the way that, wow, this is a very logical next step on how this should be done, because they very quickly, they know the problem, what it is, and they understand how we actually solve it. So in that way, the feedback has only been very positive.
You said that you're planning to start raising for the seed round later this year. But how far is the company in their kind of development? How big is the team? In what markets you operate today?
Yes, so team is 5 people. We had our first pre-seed round at the start of 2022. The goal was to build out the product and secondly to set up a sales system, which we now have been acquiring quite a good number of clients here in the Baltic region. Currently we have around 12 factories that are using this solution actively. And yes, the sort of main goal for our next round is to move out of the Baltic markets and mainly focus on the Western European markets.
The next logical question is, slightly related to this. What are the next milestones you're looking forward to?
Profitability, meaning break.
Startup profitability. What are you talking about, man?
Break-even point.
Okay.
Firstly, we are aiming to reach break-even by Q1, the end of Q1 of next year. So that's a very sort of strict milestone that we want to hit, and we see that it's really possible.
But why do you raise money then if you?
Because that will ensure us a more quicker way to move along. Because we cannot forget this type of technology. It's moving on really fast. You need to keep up, and the only way to keep up is to really have enough capital to invest in the right ways and get it to as many potential clients as possible for it to evolve in the end product that will be a day-to-day sort of process for any type of manufacturing out there.
Good stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.